and Rolf. Early lead is taken by Australian Cut from the outside, and TV Magic, Fleet Street moving up by the rail, and Music King in between horses. Al Marley moving up on the inside, Fierce Fighter and Speed Almighty. And heading for the backstretch, Al Marley grabbing the lead, followed by Fleet Street and TV Magic on the outside, Australian Cut and Fierce Fighter, and by the rail is Music King and Speed Almighty on the outside. And at the mid-back stretch, it's still Al Marley by a length and a half, followed by Fleet Street in second, and TV Magic running in third, Australian Cut, Fierce Fighter, Speed Almighty, and Music King. And rounding the far turn, it's still Al Marley in the lead, followed by Fleet Street on the outside, and TV Magic running in third, Australian Cut and Fierce Fighter, and Music King and Speed Almighty. But it's still Al Marley by half a length, followed by Fleet Street, and TV Magic moving up on the farther outside, and Australian Cut is moving up by the rail. And the last bend for home, TV Magic on the outside, and Fleet Street in between horses by the rail, Al Marley and Australian Cut. Fierce Fighter moving up on the farther outside. It's TV Magic followed by Fleet Street, Al Marley, Australian Cut, Fierce Fighter on the farther outside. It is still TV Magic, Fleet Street, and Fierce Fighter moving up on the outside, and Australian Cut and Speed Almighty. And finally, entry number 1A, and that is TV Magic, Fleet Street, Fierce Fighter, Australian Cut, Speed Almighty, Music King.
At ang kanyang quarters, 27, 25 and a half, 25 and a half, 26 and a half, for a total of 1 minute 44.6. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Forecast paid 254 pesos. At trifecta na 1, 2, 159, 80, 81, 561, 117.20.